Alright, so you see this case I'm about to post now. I see some big names involved. I see Femi Falana name involved. I see Sahara Reporters involved, and I don't care because me, I don't really send anybody papa. Once I see injustice, I speak on injustice, right? I make sure justice is being served. Now, for Sahara Reporters, it is obvious that you people have a personal vendetta against this woman in the name of Justice Bello. She's a federal high court judge. It looks like you people have a personal vendetta against her, and I don't know why. So you are using your Sahara Reporters blog to fight the woman. But I'll tell you this for free, right? Me, I will stand behind the woman now. So it's going to be a fight between Very Dark Man and you guys. And trust me, Very Dark Man never loses because I use proof to fight. I know they use beef fight, I use proof. Now, a few weeks ago, I made a publication about this guy, Adetunji Konde, who got an investment from some persons, right? He got an investment of 100 million naira because he told them that he got a contract from FIRS, Federal Inland Revenue. So you know it's a government contract. So these people invested in this contract. So when they invested in it, they didn't know that the guy lied. And that was how the guy ate 100 million in the space of 3 months, which in my previous video I posted with proof of how he spends the money, which I'll still post again with just some little proof. Now, a few days ago, the guy came to court and they gave him a stringent bail condition, and now the guy have gone to prison. You know, say I tell them, I say they must arrest him, so they don't arrest the guy now. This is a video. In go prison. So as I'm speaking to you now, he's in prison with a stringent bail condition. That was how Sahara Reporters now took to the media and posted this, right? He said, court grants stringent bail condition to couples in 100 million Ponzi investment case involving power-drunk Justice Segun Bello. Now, Sahara Reporters, this is why I say people have a personal vendetta against her, right? In the first place, the first time he made this report, he said Nigerian couple accused Justice Segun Bello of weaponizing police in 100 million investment disputes. This part you didn't put Ponzi. You only put Ponzi because you saw my video and how I broke down how that man spends that money. He spends a lot of money in playing gambling. So you are now putting Ponzi now because the narrative you people try to push did not work. You are putting Ponzi now. Do you understand? Now, again, I see another post that you made. Now, let me read inside the post you made. Say, according to the petition, Justice Bello invested 100 million into the couple's company, Elizabeth and Esther Nigeria Limited, through Toby Balorin and Benga Ekudayo. The petition states that the investment was made with clear consensual agreement, which the couple claim they have not breached. Now, this thing where you say through Justice Bello, you see what I say people have a personal vendetta against the woman. Through Justice Bello, through. Where is your proof that it was through her they made this this investment came to their hands? Meanwhile, these are the people that invested with bank statements and not the talk without proof. These are the list of the people that sent him money. The first person here is Akorede Abdullahi. He sent 20 million. Before he sent this money, Konde had just 11,000 naira in his account, right? The first person sent 20 million. Another person called Mujid Mayowa sent another 20 million. Another person called Olaide Salami sent another 20 million, making 60 million. Another person called Blue Mayor, he sent 10 million, making 70. He sent another 10 million, making 80. Then again, he sent another 10 million, making 90. Then he sent another 10 million, making 100. So the highest person, the person that made the highest investment here is Mayo. The first thing this guy did, this Konde, this Adetunji Konde, the first thing he did, he transferred 30 million to his wife for school fees. They gave him money for investment, you use and pay your picking school fees. Again, another money he spent, he bought phones from slots, 3,040,000 naira. They gave you investments, use and they buy phone. Now, this is how I broke it down. You see, saying play gambling. Do you understand? He lavished the money recklessly. In the space of 3 months, 100 million naira don't finish. When these people started calling him to pay, he told them business gone bad. And now Sahara Reporter is twisting it as if, yes, maybe the guy do the investment spoil. You Sahara Reporters, I want you to post what he did with the money. So it's obvious that people like say when they use this guy case to fight the judge. What did the judge do to you people? Maybe the woman don't do one case on and no appeal with before. Now I'm seeing what Femi Falana said in respect of the woman. He said something here I can see. According to the news, na Sahara Reporters, Falana also alleged that Justice Segun Bello has manipulated law enforcement and used threats to intimidate and oppress the couple. This kind of couple, they're not a pity them. Wanna leave big grammar. Some people carry their hard-earned money, give you for an investment. You use the investment, they play gamble, use and give women. Normally, if not say law, I know this law again, there's a lot of disadvantage of this law. That's just the problem. Normally, people like this, they don't hold them for streets, come on their two teeth, beat craze for their head. Beat craze for their head. So now my question is, what is the business of this woman? Is it because she's influential or maybe she's a judge? You know, I don't know what the idea is. And I went through the woman's page because me, I don't even know the woman. I went through the woman's page. I looked for her, this thing, her Instagram. I saw her Instagram is HONHJM. I just saw that she's like a motivational speaker that goes up and down. Nobody say she didn't even publish politics. Do you understand? I'm pretty sure that without this case, nobody for even know this woman. So it looks like you people have a personal vendetta against her. Anyways, women, where they say very dark man, no, they fight for women. Very dark man and misogynist. See now, don't stand by judge. Now, woman, the woman self not even know me. I don't know her from anywhere. Now I don't stand for her back against Sahara Reporters and the lawyer where they see Femi Falana named there. And I'm pretty sure maybe. Because I'm sure maybe Femi Falana himself never even see this bank statement say see wetin this guy use the money do. Do you understand? You know sometimes too all these people they fit go lie to Femi Falana. Say the woman is trying just the way he lied to me. Because this same guy also lied to me that this woman gave him money for a business, the business gone bad, the woman now swore that she will make sure he rot in jail. Only for me to come do my further investigation, come find out saying a lie. He was blackmailing the judge. So it's possible that they've gone to also lie to Femi Falana. Do you understand? But for Sahara Reporters, your own no be accusation. Your own, this one I know for a fact. I probably personal vendetta because now don't do me too. And I've also post my own. But I want this smoke. I want this smoke between you and I, 100%. I want this smoke. People should be careful. If you are not careful with this case, it will cost you your brand. I promise you. To cost you your brand, the credibility of your brand has dropped. But this one will vanish it. I promise you, man. I'm not capping. 100. So if you're ready, you bring it on. But I will advise you to please follow this case and do a proper investigation. Else you're gonna learn, and you all will learn the hard way. Justice must be served. Peace and love. And guess what? They must pay that money. They will pay. So for the people involved, the judge, the magistrate court judge that gave the please don't be intimidated. And the police will arrest them. Do not be intimidated. Don't let all these people where we say they don't get credibility carry case, say they want it. And Sahara Reporters, be careful. Be careful for real, though. Else you're gonna learn and you'll learn the hard way. Thank you very much. Peace and love.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests. See you in the next one. Stay awesome.